All right, this is the Created Energy Lab. Now, I'm just going to say this, spoiler alert, energy is not being created here. There are two things that cannot be done with energy. It's create and destroy it. But in this one, what you're going to do is you have 20 different items and you're going to categorize them however you think that. So how you categorize them is really up to you. So like for an example, there's 6 different categories here. You don't have to use all of them. You don't have to use all of them. You could use maybe just a couple. You can manipulate these if you want. But like you do have 6 different categories that you could use. So I'm looking at this and just like right off the bat, I could see a couple. Like just as an example, well, maybe I would, put the screw here and like the slide. They both have a similar shape, right? So maybe I would put that. Let's see here. I don't know, maybe I would put the, crowbar and the axe in one category, right? Oh, maybe the broom goes there, right? So and then like you could shrink these if you want to. You can manipulate them however you see fit. Uh, so yeah, and I would maybe put like these are like spiral kind of like I would put spiral. There we go, right? So spiral would be one, and this one would be like maybe rigid objects because they don't have like movable parts. So maybe I would just put rigid. That's just an example of something that I could do. Now, then you're going to categorize all 20 of them and then just write this. So, like I said, you do not need to use all 6 categories, but you could if you needed to, right? So you can manipulate these, you can shrink these items just so you can make them all fit. So that is what this is, and then just answer a few questions on this. So once again, this is the Created Energy Lab.